Good morning, principal, teachers, parents, and our little star. I, Alok Kumar Sharma, on behalf of ACT Universal UAE and ACT Universal India, I welcome you to this small gathering of this beautiful morning where we are here to celebrate the success of our little champion here, who has won herself the first prize in out of 162 students, where we had 81 schools participating, and we also had eight children from eight different countries. So we are very proud, and the whole and sole reason of meeting today is to celebrate and make her feel that what beautiful job she has done under this able guidance of the teachers and the school management and the principal. So first of all, I would like to tell you who we are, and then we'll move forward. If I may do that, please. Yes, ma'am. Is it allowed? So I'll just share
Please.
my screen. Act Universal LLC, FZE, UAE, and Act Universal India are the registered companies. Act Universal started back in 2006. Our motto is to keep Indian classical and folk art forms, culture, literature, sports alive, practical, and approachable for the present and future generation through its various chapters. The various chapters are Know India, Natyashala, Act Universal Creative Wing, Act Universal Games, and Sport Wings. Know India does student exchange program, Know India International Inter-School Quiz Contest, Fun and Learn camp activities, and India Fest in the name of Bharat Parv. We also have Natyashala, which does Prachin Kala Kendra examination in US, India, UAE, Oman, and Kuwait. We have award ceremony as well, where we celebrate the success of eminent people, those who have got Padma Shri or Sangeet Natak Academy. We have some lecture demonstration series as well. Our third chapter is known as Act Universal Creativing, where we provide children with the examination of Trinity College London Speech and Drama, and Gavel Club, which is public speaking club. Your child has won 6 months of free membership in our public speaking club. So on her behalf, we'll be paying $45 to TMI, which is available in 146 countries. So she'll be getting to meet many people, and then there she'll be learning the skills of public speaking in English. School chapters. So I'll be talking to ma'am later on, because we are going to start a Hindi book readers club where we'll be meeting every week for 45 minutes, where we'll be asking children to read in Hindi different authors like Premchand ji, Bhishma Sahani, और जो भी अवेलेबल हिंदी साहित्य है उसके बारे में. उसके अलावा हमारा एक ड्रामा प्रोडक्शन हम इसमें करते हैं एक्ट यूनिवर्सल में, जो वामा सीरीज, वामा का मतलब महिला होता है, तो वामा सीरीज के अंदर हमने प्रोमिनेंट जो इंडियन हिस्टोरिकल लेडीज और जो प्रोमिनेंट लेडीज हैं उनके ऊपर ड्रामा, जैसे शकुंतला है, पन्ना धाय है, वो हमने तैयार की हैं. उसके अलावा मॉडल यूनाइटेड नेशंस भी हम लोग करते हैं. Our third chapter also does multiple fest. We'll be definitely talking about this, and we have a success series where we make children understand that how to become successful, and they get to meet successful people. Our fourth chapter is all about games and sports, and we'll be bringing Act Universal Indo UAE cricket tournament, which we'll be discussing later. These are the few awards given to prominent people. The person you see in yellow is with Padma Vibhushan Pandit Vishmohan Bhattji, and the lady next to him is Seema Bishwash, known for Bandit Queen and other movies. They were awarded with Act Universal Award 2016. So few glimpses of Padma Vibhushan Pandit Vishmohan Bhattji, Padma Shri Seema Biswas, Following years, we did this award ceremony again. Padma Shri Niranjan Goswami is known for his mime, especially Indian mime. We also awarded Nritya Vidushi Srimati Rohini Anant, Padma Shri Geeta Mahalik, known for Odissi, Vidwan Dr. Ashwin Mahesh Dalvi. Few glimpses. Act Universal started with online competitions on October 2nd, 2020. We had International Non-Violence Day 2020, where we had participation from 3 countries, whereas 23 schools participated. Second competition was World Children's Day 2020, and it was International Inter-School Storytelling Contest. So around 82 children told 8 folk tales. They were from 5 different countries. And this was the Republic Day of India 2021, where we had participation from 8 different countries. Number of schools participated were 81, and number of students participated were 162. And your student of Army Public School, Hisar, Haryana, got the first prize. So very proud. So this is all. Now I will end my thing, and I would request our principal ma'am to kindly address the gathering.
You want me to say something?
Surely, ma'am. We would
Mr.
like.
Alok, you want me to say something?
Yes, please. We would like to hear from you, ma'am. How is the experience? All like your school won the first prize. So how do you feel, and whatever your wishes are?
No, it feels absolutely great, especially this child. She's done us proud. And the best part is, this pandemic, though they said that every situation like this brings a seed of opportunity. So this brought this opportunity for us to be interacting like this. And on an international platform, my child got a chance to participate without moving an inch out of her home or the comfort zone. So I'm very grateful to you people for making this platform available for our child. And really, we are really grateful for that. And I'm also grateful to my teachers who have trained this child so well, and the parents who are here, who are the source of encouragement for this child. So thank you so much. I mean, it feels great. You said, how does it feel? It feels absolutely wonderful. And there's something that we can gloat about, so many countries and so many children. So it feels good. Achievements always make you feel happy.
So very kind of you, ma'am. Thank you very much. And that's what we are here for. To celebrate that, yes, if you are successful, that is important, but more than that, the participation itself and the dedication what teachers showed, the students showed, and the parents and principal, that was amazing. Can we quickly go to the teachers? How do they feel? So Shilpa ma'am, or
introduce themselves.
Good morning, sir. गुड मॉर्निंग सर, मेरा नाम शिल्पा है और मैं हिंदी टीचर आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल हिसार की तरफ से। सर पहले तो आपका बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप बच्चों को इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म देते हो, बच्चों को उनकी जो स्किल्स है उनको डेवलप करने का एक इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म आप प्रोवाइड करवाते हो। वी शैल बी वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर दिस सर। एंड गुड मॉर्निंग सर, मेरा नाम गीतू मुडरेजा, आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल हिसार। मैं आपका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी कि आपने इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म हमें दिया और हम बहुत ही अच्छा, हमें प्राउड फील कर रहे हैं हम कि इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म में हमारे बच्चे ने इतना बहुत ही अच्छा कर पाए बच्चे। तो इस तरह से प्लेटफॉर्म आगे भी मिलता रहे ताकि बच्चे जो है आपसे जुड़े रहें और इस तरह से आगे भी हम एफर्ट्स करते रहे और इस तरह से स्किल्स बच्चों की भी डेवलप होती रहे।
Surely, ma'am. We'll try our level best to actually communicate with you, and definitely we would like your school to participate. Thank you very much. Can we quickly go to our parents who are here? सर, आपसे और मैडम से कुछ सुनना चाहेंगे कि आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है जब बच्चा इतना प्राउड किया है 8 देशों के अंदर और 162 बच्चों में वो पहले स्थान पर आई।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। सर, बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि अपना बच्चा इस तरह के इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेटेड हो रहा है और इतना मतलब खुशी है कि हमारी यूनिट और टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल मैम और स्कूल का नाम हमारे बच्चे के द्वारा हो रहा है, तो इतनी खुशी है कि बहुत ज्यादा। और इस तरह के इवेंट हम तकरीबन बच्चों को मिले तो उनके अंदर बिना किसी संकोच के कर सके। बहुत खुशी है सर। थैंक यू सर, आपने बहुत अच्छा इवेंट कराया और हमें बहुत खुशी है। थैंक यू सर।
धन्यवाद सर। मैम, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी?
सर मैं तो यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि हर माँ को अपनी बेटी पे गर्व महसूस हो रहा है। अपनी मतलब बच्चों, अपने बेटों से ज्यादा बेटियों को, हर कोई अपनी बेटियों पे यह है, जैसे लड़कियों पैदा नहीं करते हैं लड़के के लिए, मरते हैं। तो मैं तो ये कहूंगी ऐसी मेरी बच्चों को देखकर हर कोई माँ अपने बेटी को ही पैदा करे।
वेरी नाइस। बहुत सुंदर विचार है मैम, बिल्कुल। अब हम अपने स्टार ऑफ द मॉर्निंग की तरफ जाते हैं। तो बेटे, आपको कैसा लगा और आप क्या महसूस कर रहे हो? पहले तो मैं आपको बता दूं, आपको 6 महीने की मेंबरशिप फ्री मिली है। तो वो आप जब भी आप चाहें, अप्रैल से अगर शुरू करना चाहें, क्योंकि अभी एग्जाम का सीजन शुरू होने वाला है, आप उसके मेंबरशिप और आपकी फीस हम लोग जमा कराएंगे अपनी तरफ से। तो आपको कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, प्रोग्रेस कीजिए। अगर आप प्रोग्रेस करेंगे तो आपको TMI से सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा।
So first of all, I want to say, give me this opportunity to participate in this creative competition. And my teacher gave me this beautiful poem, and I think that I never come in first position if my poem do not. So my teachers gave me this beautiful poem, and that's why I'm here. I win.
How beautiful is that? Like you are sharing your success with your teachers. That is important, and that gratification.
The principal also.
Yes. That gratification is always important. When you are humble, you progress more, and that is what you are showing. So this is what I wanted to share, and I wanted to have a success celebration. That is why I call. If you are going to share this anywhere, please do share with us also. If you have newsletter. If you choose to share this anyway in your newsletter or anything, please do share with us also, so that we can also publish it on our website. Your certificates and all the prizes will be available on website. Though it is delay on our part, it was supposed to come today, but our graphic designer is getting little tied up because there are so many prizes. So congratulations once again, and final words from the principal, and we'll call this meeting off.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just once again, Mr. Alok, gratitude to you and Act Universal for this initiative, and especially my child winning on Republic Day makes it even more special. And I'll just ask her to say her first few lines again, so that we can once again hear what she spoke that day. So Tanya, between the first few lines again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sit in the
रात की दीवार पर पर्वतों के पीछे नभ में रवि बनाता हूँ मैं, काल से अभागे को ललिमा दिखाता हूँ मैं, बंजर जमीन पे खुद के पौरुष से बीज को फसल बनाता हूँ मैं जरिया हूँ धन का, ज्ञान का, विज्ञान का। धर्मगुरु भारत हूँ मैं, सारी दुनिया को मानवता, सद्भावना और एकता सिखाता हूँ मैं। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम तानिया, कक्षा 7वीं की छात्रा।
So very proud. I'm getting goosebumps still. When we sent it to the judges, they had high recommendation for this girl, and all the judges, there was a panel of 11 judges, and what I saw that her marks were really, really amazingly well. That is why she got this prize. So you deserve all the praises, dear. Enjoy, celebrate, and ask your parents to give you some great gifts. Okay. So that you enjoy it more. Thank you very much, Principal Ma'am, teachers, dear parents, and our little star.